Hello guys, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Drea from Crochet. If you like what you see, please like, comment, and subscribe to this video. Okay, let's get into it. So of course, what am I using, guys? My Craft Smart yarn from Michael's Craft Store, my absolute favorite yarn, my 5mm hook, and of course a pair of scissors if needed. All right, let's get started. Okay guys, so today's tutorial is going to be on these cute little crochet hearts, these little mini size hearts that I will be using on my daughter's shorts that I'm going to be making her. Well, no, I'm not going to make her shorts. I'm going to actually just stitch these little crochet hearts onto a pair of denim shorts that she already have. But I thought they were so cute, and I'm like, okay, let me share it with my people. Very, very quick tutorial, okay? Okay guys, so like any other tutorial, we're going to start with our slip knot. We are then going to chain up 1, 2, and 3, okay? We're going to chain up 3, and then of course we're going to slip stitch into our very first to create a magic ring or a magic circle that we're going to be working inside of, all right? We're then going to chain up 1 and 2, all right? 2 chains, and then we are going to work 3 triple crochets into this circle. Now, may I just say, I'm aware that this circle is pretty small. I just like for the center of my heart to be very, very small. If you feel as though you cannot work into a circle this small, you know, you can chain up at least 2 more, you know, to make your circle. So let's keep going. We're going to wrap around twice for a triple. We're going to go in, we're going to pull out. Okay, we're going to pull through 2, wrap around, pull through 2, and wrap around and go through 2. We're going to do 2 more. So we're going to wrap around twice. We're going to go in, pull out, pull through 2, pull through 2, pull through 2. Last one, wrap around, pull through 2, pull through 2, and pull through 2. All right. So we're going to have 3 triple crochet into our circle. All right. We are then going to go in with 3 double crochet. So we're only wrapping around 1 time. Pull through 2, wrap around, pull through 2. We're going to do that 2 more times. All right. All right, so 3 triple, 3 double. We're now going to chain 1, chain up 1, and we're going to go back into our circle with 1 triple crochet. All right, so wrap around twice, go in, pull out. All right, 1 triple crochet. We're going to chain 1, and we're going to do 3 double crochet. All right, 1, 2, and 3 double crochet. And then we're going in with 3 more triple crochet. All right, so we're going to wrap around twice, and we're going to go 1 triple, 2 triple, and and 3 triple. Chain 2, 1, 2, and then we are going to just slip stitch into our center circle. All right. Chain up 1 and cut off our yarn. Okay guys, and look what we have here. We have a heart. Nice and simple, nice and cute, okay? I love how cute these are going to look on her shorts. I'm just going to do a variety of different colors. And yeah, really quick, cute tutorial. If you like what you saw here today, please, please, please like, comment, and subscribe to this video for more quick tutorials. Okay, guys, over and out until next time.